Hey guys, we're making carrot powder. So these are carrots. We're going to peel them like this, like that. Then we're going to chop them up into small pieces, and then we blend them up without any added water. So I didn't show you that part. So when I was blending, you just use a tamper. So that's how you do. So that's what you're going to do. We're going to strain it in a strainer. We just put it all together in a strainer. Like that. Then we're going to try and use my hands, but I figured out you can use a serving spoon or something just to press down the carrot juice. So I figured out I can use that. So I'm just showing you the juice coming out. That's the thing that I used for pressing it down. So now you've gotten the juice out of the way, which you'll drink later and it is delicious. So we just put it on a sheet, a Teflon sheet, and a tray, and dry it either in, if you don't have a dehydrator, you can use it in the lowest settings of your oven, and let it dry really well, just spreading it out so it can dry even faster. So that's what I am doing there. So carrot powder is, I'm going to use it basically for when you're using with your whipped cream, you want to change the color, you want to decorate your cakes, you can use it for anything you like. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just straining the carrot juice just in case there's any pulp left in it. So that's what I'm doing. This is just good. The carrot powder is just good for the color. You want to change the color of your food, you want to change the color of your, mainly I'm using it for desserts, basically. That's it. Raw cakes, raw desserts, just to change the color to make it nice carrot color. And so now you'll just dry it for around maybe overnight, which I did here. So the following morning I woke up and it's going to be nice and crispy. There you go. You can hear that. It's nice and dry. So what I'll do, I'll just put it in the blender. When make sure the blender is completely dry. Don't use it when it's wet, otherwise it's just going to stick. And don't blend well. So there it is, and I'm going to blend until you even see some of that coming out. And yeah, you can see it's blended really fine to a nice carrot powder. There it is. Next time I think I'll just try the pulp without making the carrot juice. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.